Vetiver Essential Oil is famous all over the Indian subcontinent. As the name suggests, Vetiver Essential Oil is extracted from vetiver, a perennial grass that is native to India. The essential oil of the vetiver is extracted through steam distillation of its roots. Vetiver has a distinct woody, smoky and earthy aroma. The aroma of vetiver essential oil has a very calming and soothing effect, but that's not all. But before we get started, take a minute to subscribe to the channel. Your support really helps out the channel. Anti-inflammatory properties. Since the oil is known for its soothing and cooling effects, it helps calm all sorts of inflammation. It is specifically good at delivering relief from inflammation in both the circulatory and nervous systems. It is also considered an appropriate treatment for the inflammation caused by sunstroke and dehydrated skin. Just a few drops will be enough. Massage the oil into your muscles or the affected area gently and let it be. Antiseptic properties. In tropical countries, microbes and bacteria multiply fast due to the favorable hot and humid conditions found in these regions. Hence, your wounds are prone to sepsis. Vetiver essential oil prevents the growth of Staphylococcus aureus, which is the bacteria responsible for causing sepsis, and eliminates them. You can apply it externally as it helps heal wounds by promoting the growth of new tissues. You can even add a few drops of vetiver essential oil to your bathing water. It helps heal wounds by promoting the growth of new tissues. Improves immunity. Vetiver oil is high in antioxidants and thus, helps in boosting your immune system by removing all the toxins from your body and fighting free radicals. You can benefit from the oil by directly inhaling the aromatic vapors or diffusing it into the air at home. Clears acne and boosts skin health. Vetiver oil helps in clearing acne and acne marks too. It exhibits very strong anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. The acne-causing bacteria do not find favorable conditions to grow in the presence of the antibacterial properties of vetiver essential oil. This gives freedom from frequent acne outbursts. You can mix a few drops of vetiver essential oil in your face wash and use. It can even be mixed with another coconut oil or jojoba oil and apply it to rejuvenate your skin cells and get soft and nourished skin. Calms the mind. Vetiver essential oil is known to improve mental conditions like stress, anxiety, and depression. You can diffuse it in the air or apply a few drops on your wrists, chest, and neck. Vetiver essential oil is considered to be non-toxic and generally safe, but you should consult your doctor before you decide to use it to cure a health condition. Remember to always dilute vetiver oil with a carrier oil such as coconut or jojoba oil. Are you considering trying out vetiver oil for yourself? Let us know in the comments section below.